I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain.
I've been feeling very uninspired with my wardrobe lately, so I thought of rebuilding it from absolute scratch, and my plan initially is to focus on basics and on pieces that are going to serve as the foundation of my wardrobe, so neutral colors and minimal silhouettes. But gradually I'm going to introduce more trends, which I'm not thinking about trends right now. Trends are not my favorite anyway, so my aim for now is to focus on classic and timeless pieces, and the links to all of these pieces are going to be in the description, so be sure you check that out, and let's get into it. So the first thing I got was this navy blue shirt from Marks and Spencer's. I was so surprised to see how well it fit me. It literally fit me like a glove. And navy also is a very universally flattering color. And if you look up close, it looks pretty thick, but it actually was really breathable and light. I was literally blown away at how comfortable it was. And the fabric, I believe, is lyocell. And it says it's sustainably produced too, which is always a plus. I prefer wearing my shirts tucked in, but you can let it hang loose, it looks fine that way too. And the buttons, if you see, are almost wood colored, which I do actually prefer because it makes it look a bit casual. The next thing I got was this jumpsuit from H&M in the size 4. I'll be honest, this was the first for me because I've never worn jumpsuits before. But I was pleasantly surprised because it really fit me well. Especially on the waistline, it does have an elastic, which surprisingly cinched me in at the right place. And also I did love the color, although I did expect it to be a bit warmer, but it works. Overall, it almost looked like a chic version of a utility jumpsuit to me. I've been looking for a mom jeans since the longest time now. Although I was looking for a blue one, I couldn't find it, so I got this beige one from H&M again. This was the color I expected the jumpsuit to be, but the only thing that bugs me is that it has a button closure, although you really can't tell because it does have a piece of fabric overlapping it, so you can't really tell when you're wearing it, but it was just a bit uncomfortable for me. But this is me just nitpicking it because it really looks very elegant. I got it in the size 25. And this was again a first because I never wear high-rise jeans. I also said it in one of my recent videos that I prefer mid-rise jeans, but this was not too high surprisingly, so it worked. And I do also think this color will suit a lot of skin tones. This definitely is one of the best fitting jeans I own. And surprisingly, I don't have to get them hemmed either, which is basically unheard of for someone who's 5'1". Next I got this flared jeans, which I was not very happy with, I'll be honest. It ended up being a bit loose for me. I will have to get the waist altered about 2 inches. And also I didn't like the quality as much either, but I've already worn them, so there's no point returning. The color, however, I did like. I also liked that it was a clean look, no whiskering anywhere. The length was cropped, so I don't think I need to get it hemmed. I couldn't get the whole thing in the frame, I'm really sorry. Overall, if you're not concerned about the quality and you do find a size, I think this will be a good purchase and it looks good from the back too. Next I got these nude boots with a pointed toe and a wooden heel. I loved them. They were so comfortable, although the heel I think was about 4 inches, but I've worn them all day and they've been very comfortable. You can pretty much wear them with everything. The material is suede, so definitely a bit difficult to maintain, but if you can take care of them, I think it is a good purchase. It does have a zip closure, so very easy to get in, and the color is leaning a bit pink, not necessarily nude, although I was looking for a nude boot, but this is all they had. And this does have an elastic band, so it doesn't restrict the movement of your leg, which is always a plus since this is a bit higher. I also did get one in tan with an elasticated band this time. This I do prefer a bit to the previous one because it doesn't have that high of a heel, so I'll probably get more use out of them. And they look great with jeans. I loved them, although it wasn't as comfortable. The next shoe I got was a boot again, this time in black with a bit of a funky zipper. I did not like the zip. I prefer the normal ones, and I also wish it didn't have this panel. I don't like colors, you know that. But it doesn't really bug me, to be honest. I love them anyway. They look really classy and I will get a lot of use out of them. And this was the most comfortable out of the lot. The shape of the heel on this one is way better and it looks really classy. Almost looks like a sock boot, a leather sock boot. And that's it. These were all of the pieces I got, and I do plan on buying more things, so let me know if you enjoy these kind of videos, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I shall speak to you in the next one. Bye.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain.